Good morning, guys. It's our first morning here at Nueces River Cabin Resort, and it also has RV spots. We're gonna come over here by this cabin because I thought it looked pretty cool that these little mountains over here have clouds coming up around them. You see them right there? Let me see if I could. I don't know if I could zoom. I've never zoomed on a GoPro, so let's see what it looks like. Let's see where. Okay, it is unlocked, and I still don't know how to zoom. Oh well. We'll just look at that from there. And then you got some over here. So those are some of the cabins right there. I'll probably put some text on there, what those cabins are and the sizes. And then you got this big cabin. I think they call it like a pavilion. You could house a whole bunch of people in that one. So I'm trying to get over here because me and Eden were at the dog park, and it is a pretty good dog park for her size of dog. It's excellent, and hardly that many people come out here, so it was very, very clean. Usually these dog parks are not clean, but this one is very clean. Well, I was going to show you these mountains here. It looked pretty cool a while ago because it looked like the sun was about to peek up around them, but it looks like the clouds covered up the sun again. So I just wanted to give you a good morning, and we'll probably come back and do all the facilities more in depth. We got one more day out here, one more complete day and night, and then half a day tomorrow. So we got plenty of time to explore. Got a little piece of blue coming out there. A lot of deer out here too. Eden is loving it. Eden loves it out here. There's some more of the cabins right there. So that's some of the names of the houses that they got here. A river house, pecan house, persimmon house, and mesquite house. And I think the houses all have different sizes. And I think these are just normal cabins. Then behind us this is the RV park part, but you could camp out here with tents. You could do tent camping. You can do whatever you want. None of the RV sites are paved. It's all gravel and dirt. Ours is pretty level. I didn't have to do any leveling to it. It might be leaning to the right a little bit, but that's how you want these kind of campers to lean. If you have a side AC, you want it to lean towards the side of the AC, so the water leaks out. And there's Miss Tangles. Looks like she's tangled again. Yeah, we just got done at the RV. We got done at the dog park, and she is tired. When we get a better lighting, I'll go back out there and we'll walk around and do stuff, and she'll show you how fast she can run. Right, Eden? You could run fast? Yes, you can. Good girl. Good girl. You're such a good girl. Okay, turn it off. Hello, guys. Here's the men's facilities. They got them separated. The men's facilities are the older ones on the far end of the property, and the women's, they're over there in the middle, and they're a lot nicer, I think, because they're newer, and two, I think they're private, so you got your own private shower and restroom. So this is how the men's looks right here. It says for sanitation purpose, ensure the door is closed. Go in here. You gotta turn the light on. It's a little loud, and There's no urinals in here, and this isn't the first time we've been to this park. We've been to this park when these were the only restrooms. This was the men's side, and the women's was just on the other side. There's me. And the only thing about this I remember, the door is so close to the toilet that your feet stick out. So be aware of that. When you sit down in there and use the toilet, your feet are going to stick out. Here's one of the showers. It's not the greatest. And like I said, this is the older side. I might go over there and film the newer showers. Because actually I think it does say men or women on it. But this is the side I'm going to use. And then they have a little heater in here. It's nice and toasty. And there's like 2 restrooms, 2 commodes, no urinals, 2 sinks, and there's the shower. And then, like I said, the reason why this is divided, this used to be men's and women's when the park was a lot newer and smaller and didn't have all these cabins and stuff in it. I think this originally started just like an RV park. And then let's see, this is the same. It's the men's, but it's just on the different side, and it used to be the women's. Oh, there's a big old water heater there. I'm going to turn this down for them. It's pretty hot in here. So it's basically the same thing. Same thing. Same thing. You sit on that commode and you're see, I'll close it. See, pretty much there's your feet. And that's it. And I guess we're back here. I could show you the playground out here. So this is where the playground is. Or maybe I should come back when it's better lighting. What do you think? Nah, we'll do it now. I'm already here. Could hear some kind of bird over there. Looks like they got a rock garden over here. This is kind of new. I haven't seen that before. The Familia Famadamelia. I think that's what that says. There's a rock garden. Maybe we'll make our own Barton RVing rock, huh? Does that sound good? And over there, there's a volleyball court. I was lost at words. And there's a swing right there. 2 benches. And if you keep seeing this white picket fence over there, that's what's marking the way to the river. See, there's a hole in it. The river's on the other side of that fence. And here's a little swing set. Over here, you got some, looks like the sun is trying to get out. So maybe this is good, kind of good lighting. And you got some seesaws. You kids know what seesaws are. And over here you got the swing. It looks like you got a, you got a basketball court. A little one though. But you know what? This is just for the kids, I guess. Grown-ups shouldn't be playing basketball out here, huh? There's a basketball court. And again, the white picket fence, and then the river down there. And then here's some more sites. I think all these sites are RV slash tent sites. And all these ones that are unpaved, these are all partial hookups. So you're just going to have water and electricity out here. And then this is the area we are in. You could get all down there, or you could come over here. And there's also Wi-Fi out here, because I had to try and video conference my mom, and I think this, to me, it seems like this area right here had the best Wi-Fi around. Let's see, there it is. Number 73 had good Wi-Fi. And I don't know what is the Wi-Fi things. I don't know if that's one or if these things over there are Wi-Fi. I think those might be Wi-Fi. But I know this little area had the best Wi-Fi. So that's our little tour for right now. And we'll get a bigger tour later on when we get more sun as the day goes on. Let's go revisit the playground, because a playground isn't a playground unless a kid's playing on it. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and if you could, please watch some of our older videos or even a playlist to help us increase our watch hours so we could get monetized. Thank you all, and God bless.